Hey you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how I installed these mini twists into my hair, as you guys can clearly see from the thumbnail. So I started with freshly washed and conditioned hair just because I already knew I was going to leave these in for a little over a week. And the only product that I use to moisturize is the Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. So to start off, I just parted my hair from ear to ear. I didn't focus on like trying to get perfect straight parts until I got to the front, but it's really not even needed because how the twists overlap, you really can't even see the parts. So yeah. Now next, I used the Cocoa Nibs and Honey oil from Camille Rose, and this stuff smells so good. I wanted to make sure I oiled my scalp just because, one, I have dry, flaky scalp, and then two, like I said, I knew I was going to be leaving these mini twists in for over a week, so you don't want your scalp feeling dry and itchy, along with, dry, itchy scalp and just moisturizing it. Oils, of course, are great for hair growth, so you just see me working it in. Then I split my hair into two sections, put one of them away, and began prepping my hair. So y'all know the drill. Sprayed the section of hair with water. I didn't make my hair like too drenched. I don't know why. I think I wanted like a little bit of a stretch, but it was still, wet. And then I'm just brushing it with my Tangle Teezer, getting all the tangles out. And like I said, I did use the Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. This has literally been my favorite go-to product for probably the last 2 to 3 months. This stuff is just so moisturizing. My curls really love it, and I don't know, I just really highly recommend it to you guys because this stuff is so good. And I knew that it was going to keep my twists moisturized. So yeah, just working that in. Now with the first section that I just moisturized, I did split it down the middle one more time, and then from one of those sections I split it into 3 twists. So in the back I had like 4 rows of 3 or 3 rows of 4, something like that. There was 12 twists in the back. So yeah, you guys just see me 2-strand twisting it. I do, of course, like to go in with my Tangle Teezer one last time just to make sure there's no tangles and make sure that the twist is just nice and smooth. And it took me about 50 seconds to twist each of these twists. Don't ask me why I counted, I don't know. And then as I got to the top, I started like moving my fingers a little bit faster. So I was literally getting these twists done in like 30 freaking seconds because I wanted to get them done really, really fast, you guys. So, take your time if you need to, but if you're like me and you're impatient, you could definitely speed up this process just by twisting faster. Like, we've been twisting for years, so it's pretty darn easy to go fast. Once I got to the end, just twirled it around my finger, and I have a nice, beautiful twist. So I am just going to show you, or I'm going to be quiet now and kind of go through this little process, and I'll be back. So I just went ahead and did the exact same steps on the other side. And when you're doing mini twists or braids or whatever style, you do want to be mindful of like your parting. So when I turn around, you'll see like a distinct middle part down the middle of my head. And that's not a problem. I made sure to cover it as, you know, I did more twist. So I'm just trying to get a nice straight line. I told you as I got to the top, I wanted it to be a little bit more straight. So yeah, then I made sure to add some more of my oil, make sure my scalp is nice and moisturized, and then I continued on with doing the twist. So yeah, those are just my tips. Some other just random tips are, if you want more elongation, don't use a lot of water. You definitely can do mini twist on stretched hair, which I do think I might try next time, because I'll get even more elongation, which who doesn't like to show their length? So we'll see, but yeah, just keep watching. Now these are just some more random tips, you guys. When you are doing your mini twist, just keep in mind the size of the section that you've been taking for all the other twists, because I used to have a really bad problem of making like the perfect size twist in the back, and then it's like as I got to the front or top of my hair, it would just get smaller and smaller, which of course means more twists and just sitting and twisting forever. So keep in mind that, you know, you're grabbing the right amount of hair each time, just so that, you know, all the twists are like the same size, and you're just not creating more twists that aren't needed. And these are definitely a mini twist size, but I will link some of my older mini twist videos, because I have done even smaller twists than these that used to take like 3-4 hours. So I think this is like a really good size to do if you want mini twists, but you don't want like super mini twists.
See that? Yeah, this oranges, which can eat oranges.
So it took me 2 hours to finish these twists, and as you guys can clearly see, I did go in with some Eco Style gel to lay my edges and kind of just make the look a bit more polished. And then once I added some lip gloss and lashes and stuff, this was the final look, and I was so in love with these mini twists. I loved the side part. My twists were super moisturized and soft and juicy, and I just love mini twists because they're the perfect 2-in-1 style. You can wear them for at minimum a week, and then when you do decide to take them out, you have a nice defined twist out that you can wear for at least a few days to a week as well. So this is the perfect style to do, especially right now, since we want to keep our hair, you know, protected and moisturized, and we don't really want to do too much to it. So I love this style. I don't know why I waited 4 years to do them, but it's cute. So like I said, it did take 2 hours, and I did have 60 mini twists in total. So 2 hours to do 60 mini twists is perfect, because sometimes it'd be taking me like 1.5 hours just to do 10 twists for a twist out. So definitely love this style. Let me know if you guys will be doing some mini twists, and if you like the style or not. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.